That little girl. What are you eating now?
Vegetable.
Yeah, I know it's a vegetable, but what kind of vegetable? What's the name?
Sayote.
Sayote? Where'd you get that?
There.
Oh, from mommy. Oh my god, she's awesome. Oh no.
Mommy, I get the yote there.
Yeah.
Mommy.
Hey, Tinay, have mommy bite of sayote. And Api too. Oh no, mommy doesn't want to. Mm-mm. You want more sayote?
Mommy, look at me. I eat yote.
No.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit?
Look.
Pabinahan.
Hoy, hanapin mo yung tupsi yun
Oh.
na ganitong kaliit. Wala, isa.
You up like a bunny. Konti na lang. You're almost done with your sayote. Yeah. Oh, you finish that before you go upstairs. So yummy, yummy. Wink. Bump. Hop like a bunny.